Hey, I'm Casey Barrett. Thank you so much for finding me on my YouTube channel. We're out here at Burt Brothers Motorpark, and we're about to rip around in a 2006 Subaru STI track car. This is Elijah's first time here out at the track, so I'm giving him some driver coaching, and I'll be driving the car mid-session, giving him some sight lap. So be sure to comment and tell me what you think about my driving. Let's go get on track.
All right.
Got a Camaro. Have you ever driven this track?
Nope.
Okay.
I've watched it a couple times.
Cool.
How's it going? What's up? Recognize it?
Okay. Got it.
Alrighty, go for it.
So we're gonna enter, follow the metal wall.
Guards.
Here we go, yeah, right here. Straight through. And then it's gonna go this way. Okay, we're probably gonna catch up to that guy the way you're driving. No, I'm just saying, Apex, get over here. Now get over here. Stay over here. Now cut to the inside. Get ready for the corner. Okay, brake. In tight, real tight. Touch it. Now go out wide. Okay, slow up. We're gonna be all over this guy. Touch it. Go out wide. Okay. Yeah, lay off the throttle. Lay off the throttle. Get over here. All the way over here. You're going to want to be straight in the brakes. You turn in. Stay mid-track. You're going to shoot for the inside right here. Come out. All the way out. It'll happen quicker than you know. You'll stay to the right. And then to the left, you're going really fast. Yeah, it's the left. The big drifting S. You'll be over here, then inside, touch it, now out, and just you'll stay right here when you're driving fast. You'll stay right at this apex, you'll stay hugging it, and then of course you would shoot down and take the straight, but we're exiting. Feeling pretty good? You need me to do this? Yeah?
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, when I start moving my hand, it just means we got a right hand corner, not start turning now. Okay?
Alright.
Turn when you want to turn. cutting in a little too soon and not taking it out as wide as he could. It's a lot more track to use.
Oh yeah.
Give him a little visual.
You'll figure it out.
Oh yeah, it's his first day. He's doing great.
You should have enough space now.
Cool.
Go for it.
And what I'm doing, this is all about where the car should be, not about how fast I'm going.
Gotcha.
More to use.
Yep.
You go all the way to one side and then carve all the way to the other.
All right.
It did I don't know if it's got something weird, but it cut out under full throttle.
Oh yeah?
Those couple times. I don't know exactly what it was.
It could be rev limiting on the access port here. Sometimes they get programmed with flat foot shifting.
We're gonna trade spots again real quick, okay?
Sounds good.
I'm gonna flag the car that's behind us to go around us.
Sounds good. Just wave.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Cool, it's looking good. He's happy Subaru.
Yeah, everything's good. I think he's stopping. Okay, we're gonna trade right here. Yeah, fourth gear's where it's at. But then, yeah, when we're going faster and faster, you know, we're needing that fifth.
Yeah. Should I be rev matching at all?
Nah, don't worry about it. Track it out. Yep, go, 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 yeah. Great work, Elijah. You really did good for your first time on the East Track course. And I also want to make a special thanks to Tim. Let me drive your cars. You're really an awesome guy. And also everyone that is still watching this video, you are amazing. You have a wonderful evening, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good night. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah. So good.